Hello, thanks for checking out my channel. Here's part 1 of an MDF shelving unit build. Alright, just so you can see what I've done there, I've cut each one of these shelves out at 250mm. But what I've done, I've used that level as a straight edge and run it against the side of this bed on the saw. I've measured off of the blade, well that's another 50mm including the blade, so if I mark out a 300mm, that's the 50mm there, plus the 250 for the shelf. Right, what I need to do is get a router and router out these grooves like a little housing joint, and that will house each shelf. This will be the side, and the shelf will come out of there, and they'll be housed in to these little grooves there. I also need to pair these up so both sides match up the sides of the shelves. The easiest way to do that is to just butt them up and mark them off like that. I'm going to use the router to cut this groove out. I'm going to drop this little level on there and use that as a straight edge the same way as I did it with the saw. I have a 16mm cutter in the router there. And I'll use that up along there cutting a 4mm rebate into there. Alright, I'm pleased with that. I'm going to clean that corner out with a chisel, and that's good. That'll form the shelves. Carry on and do the rest now. I'm going to take a little notch out of each shelf so that it slides into that rebate there and fits nicely. This is what I'm going to cut out of both corners on one side. 25 there. $4 there. What I want to do is take a little cut halfway out of one of these shelves. There'll be a central upright and they're going to fit together like that, if that makes any sense. You might see when I've done it. I'll mark it off halfway, so that's there. From that halfway point I want 9mm either side of that, and that'll make the 18. And that'll be cut in half the thickness of the shelf, or half the width of the shelf, I should say. like that. I'm going to cut this piece out. I want to router out another groove in the centre of this, and this will be the top shelf then.